Welcome back to LearnCity, where we explore the latest technologies in web development. Today, we're delving into a crucial component of Zend Framework, the Event Manager. In modern applications, solid and flexible event handling is essential, and Zend Framework's Zend Event Manager provides exactly that. In this course, we'll cover an overview of the Event Manager, how to install it, and a practical example to solidify our understanding. Let's delve into the details. The Zend Event Manager component helps design high-level architecture and supports key programming patterns like the subject-observer pattern and aspect-oriented programming. First things first, let's install the Event Manager using Composer. Simply run the following command: Composer requires Zend Framework /Zend Event Manager. Now, let's understand the core concepts of the Event Manager. The first one is event. An event is an arbitrarily named action, such as greet. The second one is listener. A listener is any PHP callback attached to an event. It gets called when the event is triggered. The third one is event interface class. This class is used to specify the event itself, with methods to set and get event information like name, target, and parameters. The fourth one is event manager class. This class tracks all defined events and their corresponding listeners in an application. It provides methods to attach listeners to events and trigger predefined events. The fifth one is Event Manager Aware Interface. For a class to support event-based programming, it needs to implement this interface, providing methods to get and set the Event Manager. Let's walk through a simple PHP console application to understand the Event Manager concept. Follow these steps. Firstly, create a folder named Event App. Secondly, install Zend Event Manager using Composer. Thirdly, create a PHP file named greeter.php inside the Event App folder. Fourthly, implement the greeter class in the Event Manager Aware interface. Fifthly, write the set event manager and get event manager methods. 6. Write a method, greet, in the greeter class. Lastly, create an instance of the greeter class and attach a listener to its greet method. For the complete code listing of greeter.php, refer to the documentation provided. In the upcoming tutorials, we will explore Zend module system. So stay tuned for an enriching learning experience right here on LearnCity. That's it for today's tutorial on the Zend Framework Event Manager. Remember, event-driven programming is a powerful tool in your web development arsenal. Stay tuned for more exciting tutorials right here on LearnCity.